Welcome back to Product Lab. So today is the second video for the course which we have already commenced, and as promised, this journey is going to be very useful for the new and experienced product managers, right? So for this one, what all we are going to cover? We are going to cover the basics of product management, right? What is a product? What is product management? The major activities, importance, and the elements of product management. I know in our first video, we have covered the initial basics, but slowly and gradually, we start diving deep into the product domain. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, let's try to understand the basics of product management, right? So first, when we start talking about product management, the first thing which we need to understand is what is a product, right? So you guys can pause this video for a minute, give it a thought, and let me know in the comment section below what do you think when you hear this particular word product. Now coming back to the video. So I'll tell you like what comes in my mind when I think of the product word, right? So product basically is bundle of utilities consisting of various features and service, right? Any item or any service which is sold to serve customers' need or want, that is a product, right? It's not only the technical products which we are developing, anything, right? The bicycle you are using, the laptop which you are using, the phone, everything, right? Everything around us which is serving a need or whatever we want, that is a product, right? So the main objective of this product is that it should meet most of the target market's expected outcomes. So if it is serving the objective, that's the right product for us, right? Let me take one more example, right? We have been using Swiggy. Like in the Indian market, Swiggy is a great delivery app, right? It delivers food, it delivers a lot of other daily items which we need for our daily usage, right? It eventually delivers all that stuff. So I have eventually taken this example, right? So how Swiggy is standing out from the competition, right? Initially, it was only delivering the food, right? But now it has incorporated Instamart, right? And it has also started giving away opportunity, to the people to leverage the discount for the different dine-in restaurants as well. And there are multiple other stuff also which they have started introducing to stand out from the competition. So that is one of the example. Now, it is very important to understand that as we talked about Swiggy, right? So, what is the major thing? They are incorporating the continuous improvement in their product, which is very important if you want to stand out in current market, right? Now, who will take care of all these changes which we are talking about, right? This product thing, this standing out from the competition, right? So there are a group of people who take care of it. And who are they? They are product managers, right? So they take care of all these changes. Now, next is what is product management, right? So product management basically, as I've told you in my first session, that it is a process of bringing new product to market or developing or enhancing the existing one, right? So basically, it begins with the ideation of a product that the customer will interact with, ends with the evaluation of the product's success, and it unites business, product development, marketing, and sales, right? And let me tell you guys, studies have shown that effective product management increase profit by 34.2%. That's a number which I have seen, which might increase or decrease, but that's what a study shows, right? If I have to deep dive more, right? These are the different, sectors where the product management folks are involved. Now coming to the major activities of product management, right? So first is opportunity discovery. So when we say opportunity discovery, it is basically that we need to understand the unmet customer needs, and then we have to around that cover the competitive landscape, and need to assess the opportunity which we have in hand. And then according to that we will move to the next activity, that is our product planning. And when we say product planning, in that there are multiple things, right? Setting up the product vision, need to understand that, the prioritization as per the goals, and the roadmap planning. And there are other planning stuff also which is involved when we talk about the activities of product management. The next is the product development. And when we say product development, it will consist of the requirement definition, the user acceptance testing, iterative optimization, the A/B testing which we will be doing, right? So we will deep dive into all these topics as we go, in our further sessions. Now, the next is we need to understand the importance of product management. So, first, very important thing is fulfilling the business objective. So, basically, it helps the business achieve its objective, produces products to satisfy need of user, and it increases sales for company. Now, the second is image. So, when we say image, it's basically the goodwill, reputation, and image of a product. So, it helps in satisfaction of customers, improves the image of organization for users, earns goodwill and reputation, which will help organization grow. And the next is introduction of new products. So, new products in market, they will conduct R&D for new products, helps in creating new and better products, right? So it's very important, because if we are coming up with a new product, we have to do R&D, so that we can set it up correctly in the market, so that the people are able to connect with the product we have introduced. The next is supporting functional areas. So it will support marketing, sales, and personnel, makes it easier for marketing and sales to sell product, and it will help in collaboration between teams. And the next thing is reduction of production cost. So this is very important, right? Lowering the cost of production, and it enables efficient way to increase output and decrease input. And it will help company achieve cost reduction and performance objective. So this is also very important. Now coming to the next thing is elements of product management. So there are different elements, and this is what I have summarized for you guys. So the first is product discovery. So basically this is figuring out what should be built, and for this we need to do user research, market sizing, and presentation of solution to stakeholders to discover that what we have to build. The next thing is stakeholder management. So when we say stakeholder management, it helps in bringing everyone on same page, efficient communication amongst different teams, influencing without authority, and it should have clarity with senior leadership. Now the next is product roadmap. So when we say product roadmap, it is a high level plan of things to be done. The strategic communication document, you can consider it. It is shared company wide for understanding. And there are multiple product prioritization framework which will be used, right? I'll be explaining that in my future session, where I'll explain the product prioritization, what exactly it is, and what all frameworks we use, like Moscow, RISE. There are multiple other frameworks as well. So the next thing is project management. So project management helps in successful product management, right? So it's very important. It will consist of initiating, planning, controlling, and closing work of team. Manage yourself as product manager and stay on track. And one very important thing is time management. So time management of tasks that needed to be done. And this is a very important element of project management, which will affect the product which you are developing. The next thing is product development, right? So it is about building a product from scratch. So the technical skills, are very important. The product design is very important, and the product specifications. All these things are really important for it. The next thing is product analytics. So when we say product analytics, it is basically measuring product performance and success. So the KPIs and metrics we need to prepare, the quantitative and qualitative data analysis also needs to be done as part of it. And the last stuff is pricing and revenue, right? So pricing, monetization, and revenue modeling is very important because it really need to you really need to understand the business. So understanding of business, setting goals for revenue, focusing on monetization and revenue models to suit the product. So all these things are really important. So this is all for today's session. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to elaborate a bit more on specific topic, though I'll be covering them in my future sessions. But if you have anything specific in your mind, you can let me know that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If there are any suggestions or input, do let me know about it in the comment section below. I would definitely try to imbibe those suggestions in my upcoming session. And if you have anything specific which you would want me to cover, you can let me know about that too. If I have already planned it, great. If not, then I would definitely try to include that topic also in my upcoming sessions. So yeah, that's all for today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification for the upcoming sessions. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.